This is a whip pan transition tutorial. First, we're going to import our clips. Drag the first clip onto the timeline adjust the duration we want, and delete the rest. Then we do the same with the second clip. Now adjust the scale of both clips so they match the project settings. Next, we create an adjustment layer and make sure it has the same settings as the project. Drag it onto the timeline and place it right where the two clips meet. For the transition to work properly, leave 3 frames to the left and 3 frames to the right from the cut point. Select the adjustment layer, press the Alt key and drag it to duplicate it. Extend the copied layer a little so it's easier to work with. Now select the first adjustment layer, go to the Effects panel and search for Echo. Apply that effect and change echo count to 3. Next, move to the middle of the clips. Select the second adjustment layer and search for the transform effect. Apply the effect and change the scale to 300. Then go to the beginning of the first adjustment layer and enable the position animation on the second layer. Move the image to the right until it goes outside the frame. Now go to the end of the first adjustment layer and move the position to the left until it also goes outside the frame. Open the position settings and in the graph select both keyframes, return to the middle of the two clips and adjust the curve so it aligns with the center frame. Finally, uncheck Use Composition Shutter Angle and set it to 360 to create the motion blur effect. Adjust the second adjustment layer so it has the same duration as the first one. And that's it. That's how you create a whip pan transition. Subscribe for more Premiere Pro editing tutorials.